Kanji 107. This is the north. The meaning of north, this kanji actually usually used north. North, we know. So the pronunciation of kanji, this is called kita. Kita kanji. Here is one sound is kita. Another sound is boku. Hoku. Sorry. Another sound is hoku or hook. Hoku or hook. So two sound in this kanji. One is kita. Kita. So kita. Another one is hoku. 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 This one is hok. So hoku or hok. So now on the stroke we know the how to write of the kanji. Here first this one, second vertical one, third that one, fourth, fifth. So here again so again first this one, second vertical one, third longer one, fourth this one, fifth this one. So this is define of north. North, the define of north, or in Bangla uttor. North. So define of north, here the writing of kanji first this one, second that one, third, fourth and fifth. So this is called the kita. Kita. So here the only kita north. So the kanji is this one. And hoku, that means hoku, Hokkaido. So here it Hokkaido. Hokkaido. In Japanese north city, big city. Hokkaido, Japanese north city. So hook. So this one. So here. So hook, that means kai. Kai means ocean. Kai. Hokkai. Kai means ocean. Another means do. Do means way. Hokkaido. 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 North city. Hok. This is the form of north. This is a umi, ocean. This is do. Do means way. Another one is Kitaguchi. Kitaguchi. Kita we know. This is the Kitaguchi. We know already. Kitaguchi. So north entrance. Kitaguchi. north, entrance, Kitaguchi. So north entrance. So in this kanji here is again the stroke, first, second, third and fourth, fifth. So this is the main stroke of this kanji.